Hello friends, in the previous video I had shared how can we check our assignments online on the desktop or on the laptop. In this video I'll be sharing that how can we check the assignments on the mobile phone using a simple app, the PDF Element app. Now it's very convenient to be downloaded. I simply type on Google PDF Element and just see the results that appear. This icon is the one that I need, I'm looking for. So I just click on install and see what is going to happen. I use the Google Play Store to install it. Remember, it is the PDF Element and it's a free PDF reader and annotator. The very word suggests that we can annotate on the PDFs using it. It's being installed. It's been done, so I just open it and I agree on the terms and conditions. It's a very safe app, so I just agree on the terms and conditions and my PDF Element is downloaded. I can skip this. I can configure where it has to be stored. So it's going to allow it to access the downloads. Once downloaded, this icon appears on my screen, the PDF Element. Now it is very simple to use. Click on the PDF. Now see, I am just clicking on a PDF that was sent by my student. I am clicking on it and it is asking me how do I want it to open. So I click on open with PDF Element. The moment I get this, the assignment opens up in the PDF assignment. I click on this. You can see here, I click on this and I can use the pen straight away. So I click here and I click on the pen then. I am using the red pen and I can tick it. I know it is correct, so I can just tick it like this. If there is any problem, supposing I wanted to write here 0 less than equal to R, so I could have made the correction here. Now I just want to take it ahead. Supposing I feel that this is wrong, so again I click on this, I go here and I just encircle it. This is incorrect statement. Again, this answer is wrong. I need to write here, let's say answer is incorrect. The answer is not written, so I can write that. Supposing I want to give the marks, I can write 5 marks. I can write 10 on 10. Whatever I want to write, I can write here. This undo button on the right corner serves as the eraser. So if something has not been written correctly, I can undo it by using it. Now just see here, see the beauty of the whole thing, that I have not used any S pen or any stylus here. My finger is just working here to do the work and the corrections are done. I move ahead now. I can continue ticking the work, whatever is correct, or cross it out, whatever I want to say that it is not correct. Again, if this is correct, I just tick it here and I can go on with it till the place where I want to. So if it's incorrect, I'll just simply put a cross here and I'll write redo here for the child, or I can write that this is done very good. I can write very well done. Whatever I want to write, it can be easily done with a fraction of a second. So this is one easy app that can be used by everyone and at any time, anywhere. Now once my work is checked, I'll just go through it that it has been checked completely or not. So yes, it's done and I can now save this work. So I click on this top button on the right side, just click on the right side and you see this ribbon changes. So again click on this save button on the top. You can see here, click on this save button and it will ask you how to save it. Just click on save as on the right side and it will ask me how do you want to save it. So I click on the system and it's going to come here. I can save it. So it has been successfully saved. So once it is saved, we can share it with the students and return it to them, and so that they can see their mistakes and do the correction work properly again. So my dear friends, I don't think so there was anything difficult that cannot be done by us in this using this app. So please try to use it. Mobile phones are something which is very handy, and doing the corrections using the mobile, I think it is one of the best possible ways we can do our correction work. So thank you so much. Hope you have understood it properly. If there's any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely reply to it. I'm sure you'll enjoy using it. Thank you so much.